Welcome to another Mad Human Pizza video. If you have a PO457 engine code coming up on your dash, if you have that code popping up, then it's probably your gas cap, and it's just loose. So you just gotta tighten your gas cap lid. It's just your gas cap. I don't want to mess with mine right now because it's on there. I'll show you. Well, so it might be just loose, and this one's one click. So it goes on there, one click, tighten unto one click. Yours might say something different, but see, it says the check engine may come on. Caution, remove slowly. Fuel spray may cause injury. Tighten until one click. It clicked, and then I'm pulling. So check engine light. It may come on. Let me get that real good, just like that. See that? So if you tighten your gas cap, one click, just get on there. It might be loose. So what happens is your evaporative system, it needs fuel in there. You might have the gas, it's called gas, the fuel, the liquid gas, the fuel vapors, the gas vapors, which is gas, it might be leaking out. So that's one way to solve that issue. If you happen to have an engine light popping on up here, which on this car there's no engine light, that's just a door open, which I have no engine light because this is freaking Toyota RAV4, the best vehicle ever made. It's 2010. Anyway, your vehicle, it might it's just the gas cap, see this gas cap right here, it might be a little loose. Just the gas cap. That's gas. Gas goes inside, and then this cap is on top of a gas tank. That's why you call it a gas cap. Get it? Same with this one. This is a gas cap. That's a gas cap. That's a gas tank with gas in it, and then that one makes a little squeaking noise. Some people might clean this with WD-40. You might clean the inside right here along the round part right here. You might clean with WD-40. Some people do that. I don't even want to do that, but that's just fine. My gas lid is broken, so I had to open it up like that, and I don't want to bother fixing it because I don't care. I've had this car for years and it's awesome. So, and I have WD-40 over here somewhere. A good can of WD-40 might be the trick. See this WD-40 right here? This, you spray it around the gas cap, spray it on the cap, and that might work. That'll clean it up if it's somehow leaking, but it should just go right in there. So that's how this is a gas cap, and that's just how you do it. It's the Toyota RAV4. But your vehicle, it'll spit out that code. And I have the code I have written right here. PO457 engine code, gas cap. So, and also have Wormhole 2.0 and Neptune and Warp Jump 1, all kinds of stuff written down, but that's irrelevant. It's raining outside, which is also irrelevant. But anyway, that's it. All right, have a great day. It's Mad Human Pizza. Enjoy my other videos and have a wonderful, amazing day on planet Earth or whatever planet you're on. If this video is still around until then, thank you very much. And I want to use this WD-40. I want to show you, if you're unsure about what to do, you just use this gas cap. So there's the gas cap, and I don't know, it might be a little dirty. There's an ant. Anyway, it might be a little dirty, so you clean along the sides. I don't know, I wouldn't do it for your vehicle. It's kind of a little silly. But I watched another video of people using their WD-40. But if I don't know, man. But that's a gas cap to a lawnmower. I'm not too worried about that. But so I'm holding the camera, and I don't know, I think it's just a way to clean it. I'm not exactly sure what the contents of WD-40 is, but I don't know if I want to in the gas tank or whatnot. You want to loosen up the dirt and all that jazz. But this is for the lawnmower. It could be like the same contents or whatever of gasoline. Not sure. I have to look up, what WD-40 is. I don't know. But what am I, some type of expert? Anyway, so that's WD-40. What did I do with it? Oh my goodness. What did I do with my WD-40? Did I put it back? Oh, I'll put it back. Okay, so yeah, so that's the gas cap. Your engine light's on. Oh my goodness, what do I do? Come back here, make sure your cap's on. It's great times.